Live the dream in this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle will more than meet your needs. Consider the value and endurance that this low-mileage vehicle offers. Fumble your keys no more with the convenience of keyless entry. Drive safer and more fuel-efficient with the cruise control. Enjoy the ability to tilt your steering wheel to a comfortable angle. Lock and unlock doors with the click of a button with power doors. With these additional features, these wheels will make an ordinary drive seem extraordinary. Call us today for an appointment to see this vehicle firsthand.